Hello and welcome to Physics Problems One by One.
So here is a problem. As always, read it, maybe once, maybe twice, and then pause the video and try to solve it yourself.
Today we have another problem in Momentum playlist. It's continuation of 3 previous versions of the same problem with different twist. So follow the description to find the link to Momentum playlist, because it would be much easier for you to follow than to start in the middle and follow the links to the previous installations. But basically today everything is the same. The platform is at rest, but the cannon is firing at 45 degrees. So what changes? And the answer to this is this. According along the horizontal axis, momentum is the same. Momentum is not changes. The projection of this momentum is the same. Vertical axis very different, because there is gravity and reaction of the normal reaction, and there are a lot of external forces. But along the horizontal axis, everything is the same. So we can say exactly like before, m plus m multiplied by 0 is initial momentum. And after it's fired, free ball is fired, we can say mass of the cannonball is V0 cosine alpha. Alpha is 45 degrees. This is a cosine alpha. Because the projection of the velocity V0 is the same velocity V0, but under the angle, the projection along this is cosine. If you have problem with that, please follow the vector pre-request playlist. So on V cosine alpha plus mu. This is the mass and u is the speed. It's unknown, so we assume it's directed there. And we receive 0 equal mv0 cosine alpha plus mu. And immediately we can say it's exactly like before, so we can say u equals m minus m over m capital V0 and cosine alpha, because instead of V0 we have V0 cosine alpha. So basically it would be the same like before. Before u was 0.5, but right now it was minus 0.5. Now cosine alpha is cosine 45 degrees, square root of 2 divided of 2, it would be 0.7. So it would be even less. This u would be 0.35 meter per second. Before it was 0.5, now it's 0.35. So basically why? Well, it's because in this direction the momentum of this cannonball is decreased further. It's decreased multiplied by cosine 45 degrees. And accordingly the recoil in this direction will be weaker, and the platform start moving left, not with 0.5 but with 0.35, and minus is here. It's only pointing that u that we assumed it's in this direction. We always assume that u is in, if it is unknown, is in positive direction. And then we came where u is negative, means that our assumption was wrong and it is directed in the opposite way. I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. I hope you will subscribe, and don't hesitate to ask a question and put a comment. Thank you.